Hello, my friends. Welcome back. Happy 4th of July. Of course, I celebrate my holidays by installing a Linux-based system. What else? Duh. Anyway, happy 4th if you celebrate that holiday here in the States. Yeah, this morning, right before breakfast, I decided to install the latest from Lubuntu. Now, this is a 10-year-old Lenovo PC, dual-core. Originally had 4 gigs of RAM. I boosted the RAM up to 8 gigs so I could dual boot this with Windows 10. By the way, if you look at the RAM usage there on your screen on the recording from this morning, about 800 megabytes of RAM running the recorder. That is outstandingly. Let's just say that is terrifically light, and it runs terrific. Now, this particular machine running a dual boot, this has the original hard disk drive. Yes, it's 10 years old, and you know what? For testing purposes, 500 gigs really plenty to dual boot with Windows 10. So I installed this morning. I recorded about 5-6 minutes of video. I don't think I need to show you all of this, but it's lightweight, it's easy to use. I did install some extra software, including of course OBS Studio, the Synaptic Package Manager, I think Rhythmbox. I'm surprised there wasn't a default music player installed in this. Of course, there are many choices out there. But yeah, once I had those apps installed, it's pretty much everything I needed. I think I did install also the Thunderbird email client. But I also put some shortcuts here on the desktop, as you see, and again, just for personal preferences. But yeah, it's lightweight, it's easy to install. It has it has that Windows XP-ish look to it, which is perfectly fine. Again, something like this, you're just trying to revive an older machine, or if you have a newer machine and you want it to run super fast, why not install something like this? There's nothing wrong with it. You know, this particular type of system, it's not designed for lots of eye candy or lots of, snaz or lots of, pretty looks. You can make it look that way if you want to, but it's not made for that, and that's perfectly fine. So yeah, I had originally on this machine Ubuntu Mate, Linux Mint, Zorn. I actually deleted Ubuntu Mate to install this. Nothing wrong with Ubuntu Mate. It's perfectly fine, but I got bored. So I thought, let me try something different, something just a little bit lighter. And I have to tell you, this is running pretty much flawless the way that I want it to run. Now, the processor is outdated, so running the recorder and opening some apps, it did struggle just a hair, but that's to be expected. It's an older machine, hard disk drive. But overall, if you're trying to revive an older machine, I hardly recommend taking the latest look at Lubuntu. This particular version, it's supported for 9 months, so keep that in mind. The LTSs are good for, I believe, 3 years. So check out the latest from Lubuntu. Thank you, developers of Lubuntu, for a fine, lightweight system. And once again, happy 4th of July. So, yeah, enjoy your barbecue and your fireworks. I'll catch you on the next one. Arrivederci.